In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the background color in Canva. Whether you're starting from scratch or tweaking an existing design, mastering this skill is a cinch. Let's dive right in. First things first, head over to the Canva website and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up, which is a straightforward process. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted with the Canva dashboard, a hub for all your creative projects. Next, locate the search bar at the top. Below it, you'll find an option to select a custom size. Click on this option, as we're about to create a new canvas with specific dimensions. For this tutorial, let's use a square canvas, which is 1080 by 1080 pixels, perfect for social media posts like Instagram. After you've set your dimensions, hit Create New Design. Canva will open a fresh canvas in a new tab, ready for you to work your magic. Now, to begin altering the background color, simply click anywhere on the blank canvas. This action will activate a floating toolbar above your canvas. On this toolbar, hover over the color bar and click on the background color. Here is where the fun begins. You'll be presented with a selection of colors. You can choose from a solid color to give your background a bold and clean look, or opt for a gradient color if you desire something a bit more dynamic. Once you've selected your perfect background color, why not add some visual interest with an image or graphic? For this, go to the left-hand panel and click on Uploads. If you already have an image uploaded to Canva, select it. If not, you can upload a new image by hitting the Upload button. With your image on the canvas, you might want to tweak it a bit. A handy tool to use is the BG Remover, which strips away the background of any images you upload, leaving your main subject crisply outlined against the colored backdrop. To make sure everything looks great, resize and reposition your image using the handles on the corners of the image. You can move it around until you're happy with the composition. The beauty of Canva is the flexibility it offers, so feel free to experiment. And that's it! You've successfully changed the background color and added a graphic to your Canva design. Remember, you can always come back and tweak the colors or rearrange elements until your design truly shines. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide has been helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more Canva tips and design tricks. See you in the next video.